So today I want to share all my daily routine during a week. Let's start. I get up at 6:15 a.m. from Monday until Friday. Then I take a shower at 6:20 a.m. After that, I get dressed and comb my hair in front of my mirror. When I'm ready, I sit down in my desk and turn the computer on. With this, I am ready for doing my homework. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. When I finish it, I wash the dishes from 8 o'clock a.m. until 8:30. Then I start to check the different subject guides that my professor and classmate had sent me. As I review the grades and emails, I take notes in my notebook. While I studying, I listen to music. I usually listen to music from singers like Rihanna, Miley Cyrus, Andres Cepeda, Sam Smith, Jason Derulo, Pitbull, and other singers. I do homework until 11 o'clock a.m. At 11 o'clock, I got out to the grocery store for buying food to prepare lunch. When I arrive to the grocery store, I sit in the living room in a rocking chair and surf on my cell phone to see whether my friends or classmates from the university have typed me. I usually check my Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and my Gmail until 12 o'clock. The lunch is served at 12 o'clock. Normally, I take me half hour to eat. After that, I take a nap for a half hour until 1 o'clock. In the afternoon, firstly, I look for my pencil case with the colors, the rulers, some cutouts, glue. Secondly, I organize the table in the living room and I start to draw or to craft to chill out for some time. When I am done drawing in my living room table, don't forget organize all the things I use as in its place. In my case, I organize my study. I sweep the house. I sometimes change the position, place of the house furniture to make the house look different. And when I finish, I enjoy lying on the cool floor for 15 minutes until 6 o'clock. Then I organize the room to exercise. I start with some stretches. I do some butterflies to warm up and activate all muscles. In those two activities, it takes 10 to 15 minutes. On Mondays and Thursdays, I do exercise. For the lower muscles, I do exercise such as squat, placing the feet in different positions, and those different leg muscles are exercised. On Tuesday and Fridays, I do cardio exercise about 35 to 40 minutes of aerobic exercise to lower the percentage of fat in my body, and then 10 to 12 minutes of sit-ups. On Wednesdays, on Saturdays, I do exercise for the upper muscles. I do muscles exercise such as push-ups, back exercise, biceps, triceps, and shoulders. Normally, I exercise at 7:30 or 7:45. I rest and I have dinner. When it is 8 o'clock, I take a shower, getting dressed until 8:30. In the evening, from 8:30 until 10 o'clock, I surf the net to review the university platform, email, social networks, and attempt to advance some tasks. When it is 10 o'clock, I watch a TV show called Tres Milagros until 11 o'clock, and as soon as it is over, I go to bed to sleep. On Saturdays, I get up at 8 in the morning. I take a shower 5 past 8. After I change the dirty clothes and put the washing machine near the bathroom because there is no jar.
Échale
I
alcohol.
turn on the washing machine. I separate the clothes, the jeans apart from the work clothes. Each time a part is washed, I take it out. I put it in the dryer, and after drying it, I had it on hot. I finish watching around 9:30 or 10 o'clock in the morning. I sit down for a while to watch craft tutorial and fashion class to learn how to make clothes. 11, I turn on the computer and I do some tasks of the university until 12 o'clock. I have lunch at 20 past 12, and the lunch take me 30 minutes for eating, and then I take a nap for 30 minutes from 1 to 1:30 p.m. In the afternoon, I read some books from 3 to 6 p.m. I talk with my friends through video calling from 6 to 7:30 in the evening. I do exercise and then I go to the bed. Saturday's night, I start to watching movies. I some prepare popcorn to eat during the movie. I go to sleep. On Sundays, I get up late about 10 in the morning. I take a bath. I have lunch. I listen to music and I text to my friends all the afternoon. From 6 p.m., I talk to my family and we have dinner at night together, and then I go to sleep.